Have stuff you don't use? Turn clutter into cash. Look around your home. Do you see items collecting dust? Those old gadgets, clothes, or books can be transformed into money. Selling on Amazon is smart, it's convenient, and reaches millions of potential buyers. Imagine the possibilities when your items are visible to such a vast audience. It's like having a giant yard sale, but way bigger. People love deals. Used items are cheaper. Buyers are always on the lookout for bargains, and your pre-loved items could be exactly what they need. You can help buyers save money and make money yourself. The process is simple. List your items, wait for buyers, and ship them off. It's a win-win situation. Plus, it's good for the planet. By selling your used items, you're promoting a sustainable lifestyle. Every item sold is one less item in a landfill. Reusing is better than throwing things away. Vintage and secondhand items have a charm of their own and can find new life in someone else's hands. You help reduce waste and help the environment. Every item you sell is a step towards a greener planet. It's a small action with a big impact. So why not give it a try? Take a moment to think about the benefits. It's easy, profitable, and eco-friendly. You might be surprised by what you can sell and how much you can make. Start today and turn your clutter into cash while making a positive impact on the world. Amazon is huge. Millions of people shop there every day. That means millions of potential buyers for your used items. Did you know Amazon sells over 2 billion used items each year? That's a lot of stuff. And guess what? Almost half of all items sold on Amazon are from sellers like you and me. It's not just big companies, so don't be shy. Jump in and start listing your items. You never know who's looking for exactly what you have. Selling on Amazon is super easy. Just follow these steps. 1. Create an account. It's free to start selling. Just go to Amazon and sign up. 2. List your item. Take clear photos and write a good description. Be honest about the condition. 3. Ship it out. When you make a sale, pack it carefully and print the shipping label. Amazon makes it easy. See? It's not complicated at all. You can be up and running in no time. Section 4. What sells best? Find your niche. What sells well used? Lots of things. The key is to identify what people are looking for and what you have to offer. Here are some hot categories that consistently attract buyers. Books. Everyone loves a good book. Whether it's a gripping novel, an informative textbook, or a nostalgic comic book, books are always in demand. Textbooks, novels, even old comics can sell. People are always looking for a good read or a useful reference. Electronics. Smartphones, laptops, video games. These are always in demand. Technology is constantly evolving, and people are always on the lookout for the latest gadgets, or even reliable older models. Home goods, kitchenware, furniture, decorations, people are always looking for unique finds. A well-decorated home is a source of pride, and unique items can add a special touch. Clothes and accessories, vintage clothes, designer bags, jewelry, these can be real treasures. Fashion is ever-changing, and unique pieces can make a statement. Think about what you have. Look around your home, your closet, your storage. You might have items that you no longer need but could be valuable to someone else. You might be surprised by what people will buy. From everyday items to unique treasures, there's a market for almost everything. So start exploring and see what you can sell. Section 5. Pro tips for selling like a champ. Want to be a top seller? Whether you're new to the game or looking to up your selling skills, these tips will help you shine. Here are some pro tips that can make a big difference in your sales journey. First, take great photos. Show your item from all angles. Good lighting is key. A well-lit photo can make your item look more appealing and professional. Next, write clear descriptions. Be detailed and honest. Mention any flaws but highlight the good stuff. A thorough description builds trust with potential buyers. Price it right. Check similar listings to see what's fair. Competitive pricing can attract more buyers and help you sell faster. Respond quickly to buyer questions. Prompt and good communication is key. It shows that you are reliable and attentive, which can make buyers more comfortable purchasing from you. Aim to get good reviews. Pack items well and ship fast. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews, which can boost your reputation and attract more buyers. Remember, selling on Amazon is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and always provide excellent customer service. Consistency is key to long-term success. Follow these tips and you'll be raking in the dough in no time. Happy selling!